Hey guys, Scarlett here, the creator of Wonder Curl. In this video, I am going to show you how to properly detangle your curly hair for the least amount of snags and breakage. First, you always want to detangle your hair when it is wet. It's also best to have conditioner with slip. This helps to loosen up the curls and tangles. Second, make sure to put your hair into sections. This will make it a lot easier and get smaller sections if your hair is very tangled. Third, you want to start from the ends of your hair, then work your way up with your detangling brush or comb. This way you are removing the tangles from the bottom first, versus when you start at the top of your hair and getting the tangles all knotted up, and that is just the worst. Take your time, use a detangling brush or a wide tooth comb, and that's it. You'll also want to remove any tangles before you apply your styling products. Thanks for watching, and feel free to like and subscribe.